Hey TechHiveHQ, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the dreaded null pointer exception in Java and Android Studio. It's a super common error that crashes when you try to run. So a null pointer exception happens when you try to use an object reference that is null. This basically means it points to nothing. For example, calling a method or accessing a variable on a null object. So for example, I have this code of mine. I am running this. So if I click on run, launching on devices, as you can see, if I go to the log cat, it says unable to start activity, null pointer exception attempt. So what you usually want to do is see where this is happening. Launcher activity, main activity.java, line 78. So if you come here to line 78, line 78 is this. Toolbar.findViewById toolbar.setTitlePlanify. So the error is happening here. So here, activity does not contain a declaration with the ID toolbar. So if you come here, you can see there is an issue. I named it my toolbar, but now I'm using toolbar. So you can either change this to my toolbar and you're good. The error goes away. I'm going to show you that the error goes away. And you run, it is supposed to run and work. Or the other option is to change this to toolbar. You can see it has even set the name to how you wanted to planify. So that's basically how you fix that error. And remember, that's a quick fix. Always check your objects before using them and initialize them properly. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Android Studio tips. And if you want to know if you have null pointer exception, you'll see a red here, exclamation, like the way we did. It doesn't. You're just going to see it. So that's how you fix it. See you in the next one. Peace.
Perfect.